Hello, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my most recent Happy Planner order. And you guys, if you have been around for a while on my channel, you know that at the fall release, I placed my biggest ever Happy Planner order. And for much of the last couple weeks, months, definitely more than a couple weeks, but the last couple months, we have been flipping through everything I got. But since I got such a big order, I have earned so many Happy Rewards. So if you guys have not heard of Happy Rewards, I'll put some more information below, but it is the Happy Planner's point system. And so if you sign up for it, every purchase you make through their website, you earn points. And so it's really awesome because I'm going to spend the money anyway, but this way I get the points and I get to spend more money. Like I get to place orders like this one where I hardly paid anything for it. Of course, I spent a lot beforehand to get all the points, but they do have a very generous reward system set up, which I'll put a link below for you to just click on and go right to their website on the rewards page where it shows you all about it. But let's take a peek at what I got. And I did not even use all the rewards that I have accumulated. I had some points from previous orders, but then, like I said, I got the bulk of my points with that last huge order. Oh my goodness, I'm having some trouble. I just put lotion on and I think it's making my hands slide. Let's see if I can find a way to get this open. At least get my hand in there. Oh, here we go. Okay, we will make it. Wow, this is sealed. There we go. We're getting there. Okay, it's sealed very well, so it was safe on its way here. But anyway, I was saying I didn't even use all of the points that I have. Yeah, so I just wanted to pick up a few extra things. They recently announced new markdowns of up to 70% off on different items, which was also why I just wanted to pick up a few things that were already marked down, and then using my points, like I said, it was next to nothing on here. Okay, so I did get the Merry and Bright sticker book from last year's fall release. I decided not to get the Christmas sticker book in this year's fall release. It didn't stand out to me as much. So I was just kind of wondering like, oh, I need to figure out some Christmas stickers. But when I saw that this was on sale, I don't think this one was quite 70% off, but it was marked down and I do like this one. And for whatever reason, I just didn't get it last year. I got the other option of a Christmas sticker book. So I decided to get this one. And let me make sure it's in the camera and just do a quick flip through. Many of you have probably seen this one or maybe even have it since it is older. I really like the colors in this. Of course, Christmassy, but they're almost a little, I don't know, I want to say a little muted maybe. Or a little more, I'm not quite sure how to describe that. Oh, those Santas are cute. Yeah, like just these shades of colors. They're just slightly different. Oh yes, and the little trees in the trucks hauling the Christmas trees. Oh, so cute. And there was cats too, and then the dogs on ice skates. So yeah, this I can add to. I still do have some Christmas stickers left from last year. Love these ones. Those are pretty. But then this will just give me more to choose from as we get closer to Christmas. I have been loving all the fall spreads, and I still did all the fall for November, but I'm getting super excited for the Christmas ones. Okay, I also picked up this pack of Skinny Classic filler paper. It just says notes and things here and then important. And then on the other side, it'll just be dot grid, and at the bottom says faith, hope, and love. And I do have some other different filler paper that's Skinny Classic size, but I think I have it handy. As you may know, I did purchase this awesome Walk by Faith Skinny Classic Happy Planner to use this year. And so I thought this paper would go really well, especially since it says the Faith, Hope, and Love on the back. So I'm definitely planning on using it with that planner. All right, and then next I did get the Squad Goals sticker book. This has been out for a while. I can't recall which release it came out in, but I never had it added to my collection, and so this was also marked down, and I just thought I will go ahead and add it. And it also has Christmas stickers, so that is also why I chose it. Like I said, I can kind of bulk up my Christmas sticker collection as we get ready for December. Oh, and then the fall. I'm pretty much all decorated for the rest of November in my planners, so I'll have to save these. Oh, those are so cute. I'll most likely save these for next year, unless I do some extra maybe journaling things where I can use some fall stickers. But these are super fun. Oh my gosh, the summer, even though I'm so ready for Christmas and fall and winter to continue, I really do love summer too. And then, oh, we'll leave that little mini happy notes for the last thing. The other thing was just this little Faith, and the cover part got bent, but that is okay. Let me see. Let's maybe cut the sticker right here. So this is Faith, and it's just 5 sticker sheets, and I just, this was just like a couple dollars, and so I decided to add it. Really pretty, elegant picture, or stickers. I also have the Walk by Faith Big Faith Planner for next year, and so I thought adding some more Faith stickers to my collection is probably a good idea to get ready for that planner. These are so cute. Just love that. I love this page. Yeah, so just some really pretty elegant stickers. And then lastly, I had to get an extra happy notes. This one was only a couple dollars. It's hard sometimes to pass up their sale stuff when it's like, you know, $3 you can get a new notebook. So this one is the, I can't remember now what this line was called. You may know. But this was part of their, I believe, their spring release this past spring. And I didn't end up getting anything from this line, just mostly because I didn't get a whole lot from that release. But I really did like it. I love these turquoise discs. I just love kind of like the safari African animal vibes of this line, and so I'm super excited to at least have a little happy note, mini happy notes. So it says be kind and courageous on the front. So cute. And I have been finding a lot of fun ways to use my other mini happy notes. One I use at work, one I just have been carrying around with me kind of to just jot down anytime I hear something from the Lord, or just have that inspiration rise up in me. It's like, I want to write that down and remember that and reflect on that later. And so I've been using another happy notes to do that. So I just thought I better add some more to my collection. So this says smile. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, look at those. All the leopards. And then just have the leopard print. This one says courage. The elephants and the lions. I love the lions. And then you are rare. So there it is. Pretty simple, but super cute. So that is it, you guys. Just a couple sticker books, a smaller sticker pack, some filler paper, and happy notes. And yeah, just a fun way to use those points, those happy rewards. Again, I'll link some information below. If you already have a login on the Happy Planner website, you really just need to log in and go to the happy rewards section, because if you have a login, you're automatically signed up for it. If you don't have a login, just create a login, and you do get 20 points just for signing up. So yeah, I will put more information below there. Like I said, their point system is very generous as well. It seems like it doesn't take me long to earn enough points to just take, and have a discount on my next order. All right, well, thank you guys so much for unboxing this with me, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.